Hey guys, it's Bonnie from Bolderbon. Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a very quick and easy way to get your stickers off the sticker sheet. Now, if you're like me and do your nails right before setting up for your plan with me, or if you don't have any fingernails at all and you're always struggling to get the stickers off the sticker sheets, then this video is for you. So just stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you a super easy trick to get your stickers off of the sticker paper without using or ruining your fingernails. Now, I know it can be frustrating at times to get teeny little stickers like this off of the paper, especially if there is not a back slit. So these larger labels here, I do have a back slit on them, so it is a little bit easier, but you still sometimes need to use your fingernails to get that off the back there. So let's go ahead and show you. Now, I just take a piece of Scotch tape, but you can use any stickers that you have lying around. So if you're trying to get stickers off the sticker paper, you probably have stickers lying around. So I'm going to go ahead and move these out of the way and give you a close-up of this. All right, so I just take the tape and put it on the corner here. Now you can also put it on the sides, anywhere really that there is not any stickers that you don't want to ruin. So I just make sure that I press it a little firmly and then I curl it from the corner, and you guys can see the Scotch tape has held on to the sticker paper. I just take the other side and make sure that it is laying down, and voila! The sticker comes right away from the sticker paper. So there is no fussing with any of these small little letters or numbers on the paper. All right, let's go ahead and show you one more time. I grabbed my paper clip Post-it note stickers because I make planner stickers, but this method will work with any sticker paper, glossy, clear, anything will work. This one is a matte vinyl. It is a lot thicker than the other two, which is actually easier to get up. So I wanted to make sure I grabbed my own sticker paper so you guys could see that it works really well with this method as well. Now with my own stickers, I typically bend the sticker paper to get them up and that have a little bit of grip to get them, but sometimes it is hard to do that. So let's go ahead and just pull up one of these stickers to show you. Now you can get these up from the back, but I find it much easier to do on the front. That way you can push stickers through in case it comes up with the sticker paper. So let's go ahead and just press it again firmly on the corner of the sticker paper. And now you can do it on the sides as well, but I just prefer doing it from the front and from the corner. And again, you guys can see it just attached itself to the sticker paper here. And voila, super easy. Now you guys can see one of them did come up, but it's super easy to remove. You just take it off the sticker paper and then put it right on back down. So I hope that this was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!